Hey guys, welcome back. Hey, just wanted to shoot you a quick little note, let you know that no video this week, guys. Or, well, I guess technically this is a video. So, but guys, no cooking video. I do apologize. Been working on my dad's estate and trying to get things cleaned up. I guess some of you know, yeah, my dad passed away on New Year's Eve. Thank you. We knew it was coming, but you know, it still sucks. So But my brothers and I, we've been working to clean up my dad's house and getting things going. So unfortunately, I was not able to get a cook in. So no video this week, guys, or no cooking video. And but got some plans for later on this weekend, and we will have one out for next week. So thanks so much. We'll just let you know we're okay, everything's fine. But I will see you next week with a new video. God love you, folks. Bye-bye.